Turmeric spice is one of the best superfoods Mother Earth provides. With evidence-based results as a natural antiseptic agent, antibacterial agent, anti-inflammatory agent, and more, it's no wonder we have been using it for thousands of years. When combining organic turmeric spice with other natural fats and spices, the active curcuminoids become supercharged for enhanced absorption, proven to help the body heal faster when ingested or applied directly to the skin. King's Health Products has perfected the recipe and cooking process for turmeric paste to maximize results. With wellness and reliability our top concerns, we make a quality product to stand behind. In this video, we show you a few practical demonstrations how to apply turmeric paste topically, at home, and for everyday use. When your turmeric paste first arrives in the mail, take the contents out of its packaging. There will be an instruction card to help you. We recommend putting turmeric paste in the fridge for a few hours before opening the jar. You do not need to keep turmeric paste in the refrigerator, but that is the best way to ensure its 30-day shelf life or more. Always stir your turmeric paste before use. Use this as an opportunity to gauge consistency. If you find moisture has evaporated, or if you are using it for skin and beauty purposes, or you just want to extend the longevity of your turmeric paste, feel encouraged to add a small splash of cold water periodically. Stir when done. If you'd prefer a warmer sensation turmeric paste, microwave it with a microwavable safe lid for just 5 seconds. When it comes to selecting your utensil, there's really no wrong way to go. I prefer brushes, but I might use a butter knife, a popsicle stick, a Q-tip. It really depends on the size of the area I'm trying to cover and where it's located. For light use, with minor cuts, scrapes, burns, and scars, dilute a small amount of turmeric paste in a separate bowl. Reapply as often as necessary. Cover with a bandage when done. Turmeric paste is notorious for staining. Protect the area, including your hands, with gloves. If wearing gloves, you can apply the turmeric paste directly with your hands. In heavier concentrations, turmeric paste can reduce inflammation, reduce pain, and shorten healing time from soreness, muscle strains, injuries, and arthritis. In this demonstration, we are going to show you how to apply turmeric paste in thick coats to the knee and shoulder. This same technique can be applied to other parts of the body where you may be suffering from arthritis or other muscle and joint strains. You can apply just one coat, cover, and have beneficial results. But we notice the most impact comes from applying a richer concentrate for an extended period of time. Sit tight, because you want to wait 10 to 15 minutes for each coat to dry before applying the next. We recommend leaving the turmeric paste on as long as possible, preferably the entire day or overnight, before washing off, and considerations for your next application. If you are using our turmeric paste in a face mask or a teeth whitening toothpaste, you may want to wash it off sooner. There are many methods to removing turmeric paste dye from the skin that we encourage you to research independently. Our favorites include Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, washing it off after a bleach bath, and sweat. Yes, bodily perspiration seems to take turmeric paste off better than anything. This demonstration uses gauze and athletic tape to protect the area. Paper towels, bandages, saran wrap, cotton squares, really anything will work to keep the area covered when done. If using at the beach, at home, or anywhere else you might want to leave it uncovered, that is okay too. If at home, be sure to brush off drying flakes in the sink to keep them from staining unsuspecting furniture. Both of our test subjects are applying 3 coats before covering. And though it's not seen on camera, we've taken the time to protect the surrounding floor to ensure no turmeric paste accidentally stains parts we don't want. Even after the first use, you should start to feel a little better.
Thanks for watching our video. If you like what you saw, hit the like, hit the subscribe. If you got any questions about our products, send us an email. We want to hear from you. Stay well.